Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Quick video today, and I'll show you how to install your Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 without a junction box. I've been receiving a lot of comments and emails asking me where they can get the plug-in kit for the Eufy Floodlight Cam E340, which I reviewed a few months back, and I will link it down below if you haven't seen it yet. I mentioned in that video that one cool thing about this floodlight camera is that you can install this without needing a junction box, which most, if not all, floodlight cameras in the market today require you to do so. Now, Ring made a plug-in mount accessory for their floodlight cams, and I also made a video on this a while back, and I'll also link it down below if you're interested. But this mount will only fit Ring floodlight cameras. Now, if you have any other brand of floodlight cams, I made another video on how to make a DIY plug-in setup for any floodlight cameras that need a junction box, and I will also link it down below. For the Eufy Floodlight Cam E340, this floodlight cam is designed to be installed in a junction box, but also can be screwed in directly to a wall or ceiling, and you just need a plug-in wiring. There's no special mount or kit to buy, and I'm not sure why Eufy hasn't released the plug-in cable accessory yet. Anyways, for those that wants to plug this floodlight cam in and doesn't want to wait for Eufy to release their cable, I'll show you what to get and what to do. First, go to your local big box hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, or even Walmart, and get yourself an outdoor extension cord, 16 gauge, and also link some from Amazon down below. But while you're there, get some screw-in cable clips, which are the ones used for RG6 cabling. So you will mostly find these in the AV or the audio-visual aisle of the store. Screw in the mounting plate of the Eufy Floodlight Cam E340, and there are multiple holes that you can use. 4 screws should be good. Get your outdoor extension cable, and depending on the length you need, cut the outlet part of the cord. Expose the wires, which there should be 3 of them, black, white, and green, and strip the wires. On the Eufy mounting plate, remove the rubber plug on the bottom, and you can feed in the cable through and push it on the cable holder piece to keep it in place. As to the floodlight cam, on the back bottom part, you have to snip off the little tab with pliers to have clearance for the power cable. Hang the floodlight using the S-hook and wire in the cable to the floodlight. The wires will be the same colors. Screw in the green or ground wire to the green wire, black or hot wire to the black wire, and white to white. Place the connector block to its slot and push in the cable to its holder to keep everything in place, and will be hard to pull out. Then put in the floodlight to the mount and push down to keep it in place. Then screw in the floodlight to the mount to secure it. For wire management, use the screw-in cable clips to route and secure the power cord up to the outlet that you're going to plug it in. Our outdoor outlets have these weatherproof covers, which are also lockable. So if you're worried about somebody unplugging the floodlight, then you can use a lock to secure it and prevent it from being unplugged. The best installation for these floodlight cameras though is still the junction box install. Clean looking and no wires showing. But this is the second best thing. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.